So Sir JB, unang-una po sa lahat, congratulations. I'm so happy nung nakita ang buong team 'no, celebrating nung nakita yung scorecard mo kasi po sa part ng English Charlie, we're also helping FSW and kapag mataas ang scorecard ni client sa PTE, ang napakalaki ng chances ng visa grant. Okay, I'm not guaranteeing pero very high yung chances ng visa grant. So congratulations na po in advance. I hope everything will go well. Okay. So Sir JB, mag-ask lang ako ng few questions. Pero una sa lahat, Sir JB, since present ka naman, pwede ka bang magpakilala lang? Kunwari, let's say you're talking to the audience.
Okay, so my name is John Vincent Calan Robles Reyes and I took the PT para makapag-study sa Australia and hopefully makaalis na ako as early as by next year. And nakatulong po yung PTE sa akin kasi magbigay sila ng tips and tricks para maging confident ako sa pag-take ng exam. Kasi first time ko mag-take ng English exam, so I have no idea what I'm getting myself into. So ang nakapag-guide sa akin doon is yung English Charlie. I'll be studying Masters in IT sa Melbourne, Australia. And hopefully makaalis na po ako as early as next year.
Okay, thank you po, Sir JB. So, question ko lang din, no? Kailan ka pa nag-start ng training sa English Charlie?
Actually, ma'am, I think I don't remember na po, pero I think early November po, ma'am.
Early November. So, every day po, sir, na nagpa-practice ka, ilang oras ka nakakapag-practice? Paano ka nakakapagbigay ng time?
Bago po ako matulog, ayun po yung usual na time ko na nagpa-practice since may responsibilities po na umaga. And at least an hour and a half, nagpa-practice po ako. Nagsasagot lang po ako ng questions. Ang ginawa ko po kasi is, una, nagsagot po ako ng mock test, tapos doon ko po inalam, actually sa website po ito ng English Charlie, which is big help po, na ma-determine ko ano yung weaknesses ko at strengths ko. Nagsagot po ako ng mock test, tapos hinahanap ko doon kung saan po yung parts ng weaknesses ko, be it speaking, writing, reading, or listening. And nakita ko po na ang weakness ko is speaking since hindi po ako nag-choke po or hindi po ako ganun ka-fluent. So, every day, at least an hour, ang pinapractice ko po is speaking, especially yung written lecture at saka yung describe image, which is yung pinakamahirap in terms sa pag-construct ng sentence.
That's true po. Totoo po yan. And dun sa mga templates, sir, na pinrovide sa'yo, templates, tips, and techniques, how did it help you po?
Well, they said po kasi na, tawag dito, although templates are, sabihin natin, are flagged by the AI, ang hindi po na-flag is yung structure. And then yung ginawa ko pong sarili kong structure is based from the templates, which is, kuwari is, for example, sa written lecture, is we were told na to gather key points. And then, being key points is, ang sabi po dun is words. Words lang ang gagamitin. Words lang ang kunin na as key point. And then, when it comes to the time na mag-speak ka na, babanggitin mo lang key points na may onting sentences like the speaker told about, etc., etc. Well, ang ginawa ko po dun is, instead of words, I took phrases from the lectures. And then, ginamit ko pa din po yung binigay ng English Charlie, yung like the speaker said, and finally to conclude, etc., etc. But instead of using keywords, I used key phrases. Ayun lang. I think ayun lang po yung masasabi ko doon na nakatulong sa akin yung English Charlie.
Yes, sir. So, yung writing mo kasi, grabe, no? Naka-90 si sir. For a first taker ng PTE, na perfect mo yung writing. So, that just means na you manage to answer everything correctly sa writing. Lahat ng task na may kinalaman sa writing, and those are essay writing, of course, summarize written text, summarize spoken text, pati yung write from dictation. Okay, so ano yung pwede mong ma-share na tips sa ating audience?
Sa natutunan ko sa English Charlie is, ang tumatak po sa akin is sa pag-construct ng one sentence. Di ba bibigyan po kayo ng essay, I think it's an essay, and then you'll be told to summarize it into one sentence. The key takeaway that I took from it is yung paggamit ng semicolon. I think it's one of the most important points, and isa siya sa pinaka-useful and nakatulong sa akin sa pag-construct ko dun sa writing. Kasi I think anyone would struggle pag binigyan ka ng isang essay with at least 3 paragraphs, and then you'll be told to sabihin natin ay mag-construct ka ng one sentence dyan, syempre mahirapan ka. So, the most important thing sa akin na nakatulong from English Rally is yung paggamit po ng semicolon.
Very good, si sir. Natandaan niya talaga lahat ng tips. I'm so happy. Okay, so sir, very credible ka kasing magbigay ng advice. Okay, actually, 3 points na lang. Nasa superior score ka na talaga for speaking. So, if you were to give advice sa mga first-time takers, mag-take ng PTE, na nagpe-prepare pa lang, any tips sa kanila na mga kinakabahan, no? Ano yung mga pwede mong mga words of encouragement na maibigay? And at the same time, technical tips na din about PTE. Anything na pwede mo i-share?
Okay. As start muna po ako sa technical tips sa PTE. So, the first part ng test will be speaking. I think kiniklear naman din yun kahit saan, kahit sa English Charlie. Pero I think ang mag-throw off sa'yo, pag isa akong katulad ko na mabilis ma-divert yung attention. May isa akong hindi nasagot sa speaking kasi na-throw off ako. The moment na nag-start, na yung kami nag-e-exam, the moment na nag-start yung exam, lahat nagsasalita. Actually, yung pinaka nakaka-throw off doon is, syempre lahat nagsasalita, may isa doon na sumisigaw, so naririnig mo yung sinasabi niya. And pag mabilis ka maano yung attention mo, hindi ka makapag-focus sa ginagawa mo, marinig mo kung ano sinasabi niya, inisip ko, ay, ganito pala ginagawa niya. I think the first tip is huwag kang throw off sa ingay ng surroundings so pag ganun and just focus on doing your task. And then as for the tips, ang bansa natin is ang most used language, second most used language is English. And makita mo all around you kahit saan ka tumingin, may phrases tsaka words na English. And as much as possible, kung ano makita mo, like kahit yung wash your hands, ganun, or comfort room, kahit anong gawin mo, kahit anong makita mo is, I think you should try to read it kahit na in your mind lang. As much as possible, kahit anong words ma-encounter mo dun sa PTE is, magkakaroon ka ng muscle memory, ay nabasa ko na to, I know how to pronounce this. So, I think, ayun lang po yung masasabi kong tips.
Okay.
Yep, ayun lang.
Thank you so much, Sir JV. Any message sa English Charlie? I know you've provided na yung message mo sa team, written message, pero any video message mo sa English Charlie coaches?
Thank you po for being a good guide for me, especially sa pagbigay sa akin ng confidence, tsaka pagbigay ng tips bago i-take yung PTE kasi nakatulong siya, especially for someone na wala pang alam kung anong gagawin, anong kailangan aralin. And sa mga coaches po, is very clear naman sila magbigay ng instructions, very clear din sila magbigay ng tips and tricks. And very interactive po sila pagdating sa reviewing since lahat ng students po na or attendees is nabibigyan po ng chance na makapagsalita, makapag-ask ng questions, and ma-entertain yung questions, masagot yung mga tanong, and ayun lang naman po.
Thank you po once again, Sir JV. Abangan ko na ma-pre-departure ka ng team kasi granted na yung visa mo. Okay, i-claim na natin yon.
Thank you po, ma'am.